Hello, welcome back to WOW Wow, Which One Won? This is a YouTube show where you are going to be able to pick the winner of my test covers. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I've done. I lay out the creative for you, and you get to pick which one won. All right, ready to get started? For episode 11, we're going to use a health resources product for kidney health. It's called Advanced Kidney Support, and I have 5 covers for you to choose which one won on this launch. Okay, so again, this is a product that's going to support kidney health, to help kind of prevent stones from being formed in the kidney. So it's kind of all around good nutrient for supporting kidney function. So the first cover test we have, number 1, was a photo where it says calcium crystal deposits in your kidneys may look like this, very tiny, but it can feel like this, which shows like a boulder going on. And so this is, again, addressing the whole issue of people having kidney stones. And inside, discover nature's amazing kidney saver. And then we go right into the letter on this design. The letter is right on the front. So I only have about a little more than a half of the page to be able to do something with this cover. So that is the first one. And then the second one it says these tiny calcium crystals in your kidneys can bring the strongest man to his knees. That's because calcium crystal deposits can scratch, slice, and dice their way through your urinary tract. Ouch. Are you suffering from calcium deposits overloading your kidneys? Find out now. So this is the can bring the strongest man to his knees cover. And then we have cover number 3, which is a surprising way to experience healthy blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Why doctors don't tell you about this stuff. Again, this is kind of trying to position the solution as being able to help with blood pressure as well as sugar levels, which are things that can cause problems with your kidneys. So we have that version going on. And then the the fourth cover is the shocking truth about calcium crystals in your kidneys, why you get them, when they form, and what you can do about it now. So that was the approach for that cover, the shocking truth approach. And the 5th one is what? Can this newly discovered remedy really help dissolve calcium crystals in my kidneys that hurt like the dickens? Yes, yes, yes. All right, so that is the approach of just the skepticism. Like, what, are you serious? This can really help me out. So let's look at the options one more time. Cover test number 1 is the calcium crystals look like this, but they can feel like this. Number 2 is that these tiny crystals can bring the strongest man to his knees. Number 3 is a surprising way to experience healthy blood pressure and blood sugar levels. And number 4 is the what, just the what question. Can this newly discovered remedy really help dissolve calcium crystals in my kidneys that hurt like the dickens? So, all right, there you go. Let's see. Come on. You're going to tell me which one won. Okay? Think about it. Drop your answers below. Okay? Type them up. Let me see what you're thinking. Tell me why you think one worked for another, or why something didn't work. You know, I want to hear that too. I'd love to hear feedback from you. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are you going to tell me which one won? No, because I'm going to tell you which one won. And the winner for which one won. Oh, I forgot my drum roll. Sorry. A surprising way to experience healthy blood pressure and blood sugar levels. That was it. I'm like, that's so boring, but it worked. Now, I will tell you one thing I did not like about this test. I did not want to use this guy initially. The headline that I had, can bring the strongest man to his knees. I felt like I needed to have somebody stronger. Somehow that got switched around the last minute. I missed it.
Oof.
So I was not happy with this cover, and it did not work. And I don't know if I had changed it to like a strong or like a muscle building kind of person, if it would have made a difference. I don't know. Blown opportunity on my part here, but that's okay. I did get a winner, and that's what it's all about. 5. You look at that. Where else in this business? What kind of business can you be in where if you send out five covers and 1 works, 1 out of 5, 20% of your covers work, and you're brilliant? Where does that happen? In copywriting and direct response. That's exactly where it happens, right? And I love it, love it, love it. So again, you don't have to have 100% response rate. You just need 1 of those covers to work. And when you do, you are a kick-butt copywriter. That's how the game is played. Learn how to play the game and make it work for you, okay? So, hey, if you like this, give me a thumbs up on it, okay? And share this with your friends. Let your other copywriting buddies know about this. This is a great exercise for you to use to kind of, tighten up your copywriting chops here and see what it is. Make it a game with everyone. You see what they think won, and then kind of talk about why. It's awesome. I do that also in my ebook. By the way, I have an ebook called Which One Won? How to write kick butt headlines and boost response. It is on my website at www.carline-cole.com. Just click on that tab that says the eStore tab, and you'll see that ebook along with the other ones that I have, which are really great. These you're downloadable, you can get them, but that kind of gives you a little more background on how I come up with covers and what I do, and tell you a little more of a story of the covers that I have in that ebook. So definitely worth it for you to learn more about it. Keep checking the YouTube channel. This is episode 11. I was only gonna do a couple of these, but you know what? I'm having a lot of fun, right? And when I have fun, I make things happen. So the same thing with you. When you have fun, you learn more. And that's the whole point of this. So like me, all right? Subscribe to me. All right, and I will see you next time on Which One Won?